Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Aika, and I think you should click the subscribe button down below and also press the bell button to be notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm finally back and it feels so nice to be back. I've been away. I went back home to visit my family and it was also my wedding. So we were married since December. We finally had a big wedding party. We celebrated our day with our closest friends, with our families. It was such an incredible night. It was just magnificent. I wish we could celebrate weddings every single year, but it is possible, but it's not gonna be as big and as festive. Anyway, I'm back in Geneva now with a couple of Chanel unboxings. Everything I got were the shoes, and I got everything on sale. I was actually surprised because let me tell you a quick story before I begin. I've been waiting for the sales before I depart back home, but they never started. So once I was gone, they started like the next week, I think. And my subby from Switzerland texted me and she said, oh my god, have you seen the Chanel sales? They've started already, so you have to go and check them out. But I was home celebrating my wedding, so I had other things on my mind back then. But I was still a little bit upset that I missed the sales of Chanel because they happen so rarely and they only go for less than 2 weeks, at least in Switzerland. So I arrived to Geneva, and the very first day we arrived, we had to run some errands in the city. So I was like, should I pass by Chanel and see if they still have sales? So I did, and they did, and this happened. So I guess without any further ado, let's begin. So in this little bag I have something for my mom. I sent her all the pictures from the sales, all the shoes that they had left in our sizes, and this is something she picked up. But I'm gonna show you the thing anyway because I got the same pair of shoes. Basically, I got 2 pairs of shoes, and I'm very excited to show them to you guys. So this is the first box. During the sales, I've noticed that they never wrap your boxes up, like they never put a ribbon on with the camellia because it's sales and they just don't bother. They even ask you if you need a box because otherwise they don't even want to give it to you. Anyway, this is the first pair of shoes that I got from Chanel, and let's just open and see. I got the dust bags as always, and it's not even wrapped that nicely inside, but oh well. I got 40% off and I am very happy. So this is the first pair of shoes that I got in Chanel, and it's this sort of like open toe mules with the little strap and the chain, the Chanel chain, in this beautiful navy blue color in lambskin leather. So this leather is so soft. I'm sure they're gonna get scratched badly, but I don't really care because I know that these shoes will be one of the most comfortable ones in my collection. And now during summer, I prefer buying open shoes like sandals and flats. I never really wear ballerinas anymore because I just feel really hot and my feet get really swollen. I don't know what happened. Before I would wear ballerinas all summer long or sneakers. Now I just can't do that anymore. It's either the weather and the global warming, I'm not sure, or it's just me. That's weird. But anyway, I'm so happy I got this. They also have this 2 cute charms. On one side we have the 4-leaf clover. Oh my god, that's so cute. And I hope it will bring me some luck. And on the other side I have this CC logo, and I think these shoes are so beautiful. And actually I got the same pair for my mom in here, so we'll be twinning. I wasn't sure if I wanted to get this pair or another pair, and then when my mom chose this ones, I was like, okay, then I'm gonna take the other pair. But she said, you should take both because it's 40% off and the price is pretty good, so go for the both of them. And I did. So here's the first pair of shoes that I got, and the second pair that I got is in a bigger box. Oh my god, everything is falling out of the box because yeah, it doesn't have a ribbon again. But let's just open and see. Dust bags again. So the second pair of shoes that I got from Chanel were these beautiful camellia flower sandals, like strappy sandals. And oh my god, when I saw them on sale, I was honestly shocked because I wouldn't expect such a classic piece to be on sale, especially in black color. They also had silver and pink, but I really love the black because I think it's such a classic piece and it will go with everything. Both of these have this very tiny little CC logos, which is so cute. And I really wanted a black pair of open, like strappy sandals because again, it's summer and I honestly feel so hot. And they were just perfect, so I went for them. And I was surprised my size was still there because I have 37 and sometimes 37 is just impossible to find, so I was really surprised I could find this ones and the other pair. I guess I was lucky and it was meant to be. And I will also share the prices with you. So here's the receipt, and I will tell you, no, I was gonna tell you the original price, but it doesn't say on the receipt. But basically for the blue mules I paid 498 Swiss francs and they were 40% off. I think the original price was 830 if I'm not mistaken. And the black ones with camellia flowers I got for 678. I know it's not cheap even with 40% off, but the original price was over 1,000. I think it was 1,100 something. So I thought it was a great deal, to be honest. And I'm not really sure if I would pay full price for strappy sandals. Like I wouldn't pay over 1,000 for them, to be honest. I know they're gorgeous and I know there is so much detail going on here and over here, and they're just gorgeous and such a classic piece, but still. So I think this is it for my today's video. This is everything I got on Chanel sale. So I got a pair of shoes for my mom, the same pair for me, and another pair for myself as well. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.